Alright, who's up for a deep dive into the world of skincare, specifically our good friend hyaluronic acid? We've all heard the rave reviews and singing praises from every beauty guru and skincare enthusiast out there. But the age-old question remains, should your skin be dry or wet when you use it? Should you put hyaluronic acid on wet or dry skin? The answer is, apply hyaluronic acid to damp skin, not dripping wet, just damp, and you need a science degree to understand why. Our body uses an intricate system of glands and membranes to regulate skin hydration with the precision of a Swiss watch. So you press this marvelous molecule into damp skin, you are essentially working with your own bodily systems, not against them. But since we've promised you some serious skincare science, let's dive right in.
First up, the appetizer, prepping your skin. Yet remember, clean and exfoliated skin is pivotal. Consider it akin to a canvas eager to embrace all the nourishment. However, the significance of cleansing and exfoliating before applying hyaluronic acid cannot be overemphasized. Visualize your prepped skin as a receptive canvas geared up to absorb your skincare products. It's essential that, when prepping, consider using a gentle cleanser and exfoliator specifically for your face and neck. But remember, always handle your skin with tenderness. A little care can make a big difference. And finally, the dessert. Sealing it all in with a moisturizer. This step is like the cherry on top of your skincare sundae. It locks in the hyaluronic acid and prevents the moisture from evaporating. And just like that, you've treated your skin to a luxurious feast of hydration. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare, so stick to your routine and give your skin the love it deserves. To sum up, hyaluronic acid is a true hero in the realm of skincare, working tirelessly to hydrate your skin and keep it looking youthful. Apply it to damp skin, not dry, and seal it in with a moisturizer. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to using hyaluronic acid for your skin. Until next time, keep hydrating, keep glowing, and remember, your skin is a symphony of hydration, and you're the conductor. Good night, skincare enthusiasts, and sweet dreams of dewy, radiant skin.